In today's video, we will try to learn Memorandum Voucher entries. What is Memorandum Voucher? Memorandum Voucher is a non-accounting voucher, and the entries made use in the memo voucher will not affect your accounts. That means if we post a voucher entry under Memorandum Voucher, that entry will not affect our balance sheet, profit and loss, etc. It's a rough entry. When we will make this memorandum voucher to normal voucher, then the entry will affect in other things. So we will try to learn how to make this memorandum voucher entry by rough entries. For this, come here, gateway of tally, then go with the vouchers, then press F10 or other voucher. Pressing F10 on keyboard, then select show inactive here, press enter, then go with memorandum. Here we can see memorandum is inactive, so we have to activate this. Here press enter, activate yes, press enter. So memorandum voucher is ready for use. Now we made an entry. First of all, I want to make an entry like I have a I have a new debtor named Orgo, so I want to pay cash to our debtors, but I don't made entry in our uh, company. It is a rough entry. When I will pay him my debts, then I will make this normal entry. So for now I made a rough entry. So here buy is the debit, for the debit will be the Orgo, but we don't have any Orgo account, so I will create by pressing Alt C. It will be under sundry debtors. Accept yes. I want to pay him 1000. Put this amount in account. Sorry, made it new reference. It will be 1 for now. It will be 2 under cash because we want to pay in cash, but not now. For this we made this entry, but it will not affect our accounts. Press enter. Put the narration like being Orgo got so being payment made on Orgo account. Press enter for accept. Now we check this. How to check? There is two methods of checking. First of all, go with the daybook, then here come with Orgo. So you can see every entries are in dark because we made this normal entries, but Orgo is not a normal entry, it's a memo entry or a memo voucher which is not affect our accounts. So you can see the entry is not dark. I can open it here from here. Otherwise we can check it in another way, like come gateway of tally, then go with display more reports, then go with exemption reports, then go with memorandum register. Here we can see in the month of April we made an entry which is on Orgo. See, you can see here this entry not affect in our balance sheet. You can check the balance sheet here. Come here, go with the balance sheet, then go with current asset, sundry debtors. You can see there is no Orgo account. because the entry don't affect on balance sheet of profit and loss, etc. In the next video, we will try to learn how to convert the memorandum voucher into normal voucher. Thank you for watching.